Gala Games' massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording we continue to hold above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart. We have also continued to hold above a significant key area of support above the 0.023, and on today's video I will be discussing the significant key areas of resistances that we need to see a break above, give you an Elliot wave structure that is playing out, and also give you my breakout target areas. And for those of you that might want to take a trade on Gala Games, remember you can check out Bybit, which is my go-to exchange that is giving you up to $20 in sign-up bonuses and up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. So make sure that you check out the link down in the description box. And getting back to the charts, I want to start the video by first giving you a recap of what has been happening on the Gala Games chart since the 5th of July, when we saw a massive breakdown move in a move that gave us a low below the 0.01895, and afterwards we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a 1-2 setup over here. And after completing the 1-2 setup, we continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where you can see that we first peaked in this Elliot wave count 1 in a move that gave us a high above the 0.02679. Then afterwards we started a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this red target area, and this is an area that we have also fully maximized, and that has now increased the likelihood that there are high chances that we have now bottomed out in this Elliot wave count 2. And in the next coming hours or maybe days, we can continue seeing higher prices in what I will be terming as an impulsive Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. And just to give you the minimum target areas for the third wave, I will be connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.0325, and that is my first target area in that Elliot wave count 3. And once we hit it, I will expect a pullback in an Elliot wave count 4 before we can continue seeing higher prices in that Elliot wave count 5. And to just give you the key areas of resistances that we need to break above in the next coming hours, first, we need to see a break above these significant highs that we made right over here, and that area perfectly lies above the 0.02472. The moment you manage to break above that area, that will be an indication that we have started to see a break of structure from this downtrend that we had over here. So we need to see a break above the 0.02472 in the next coming hours. And the moment you manage to break above that significant high, then we can continue expecting higher prices, having the 0.026 as our next target area, which is a significant key area of resistance. And the moment we manage to break above that with a retest, then we can continue expecting even higher prices back above the 0.03 in that Elliot wave count 3 to the upside. We also need to see a break above the significant highs that we made in this Elliot wave count 1 back above the 0.02679. So those are the key areas that we need to pay attention to, and in case of any sudden pullbacks, then we need to see Gala Games continue holding within this red target area that I have marked here on the charts, which perfectly lie between the 0.0233 and the 0.02138. That is a significant key area of support, because if by any chance we break out of this red target area to the lower side, that would be suggesting an even more bearish scenario here on the Gala Games chart. So that is all I'm watching out for the next coming hours, and those are my breakout target areas. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.